how to connect Minecraft to Microsoft account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Minecraft game to your Microsoft account. Whether you're playing in the Java edition or Bedrock edition, I'll walk you through each step so you can start playing online, access realms, and sync your progress. Let's get started. For Minecraft Java edition, Step 1. Open the Minecraft launcher. On the login screen, click Sign in with Microsoft. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. After logging in, the launcher will verify your license and bring you to the game screen. Click Play to start the game. For Minecraft Bedrock Edition, Step 1. Launch Minecraft on your device. On the home screen, click Sign in with Microsoft account. A code will appear on screen. On your phone or computer, open a browser and go to AKAMS Remote Connect. Enter the code shown in your game and log in with Microsoft account. Once done, the game will confirm your profile is linked, and you'll be ready to play online. Quick tips: make sure you're signing in with Microsoft account that owns your Minecraft license. If you see a message like, "This account doesn't own Minecraft," double check the email used for the purchase. Linking your Microsoft accounts lets you play with friends across platforms and keeps your data secure. And that's it. This was a full tutorial on how to connect Minecraft to your Microsoft account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.